So Roomba vacuum cleaner 960. I have a problem with my right wheel where it kind of sticks. The right side is very smooth, but the left side is very rough. You can see all those scratch marks right there from the wheel rubbing against that line. There's not much clearance there, whereas on this side there are no scratch marks and it moves up and down very smoothly. You can also see in there it has a lot of accumulated dust, whereas on the other wheel not so much. I have been using this Tenergy battery and it has been very good. Would recommend. This bolt and this bolt here are captive, so they don't fall out. You see all the dirt that's built up right here versus not so much here.
Divorce and slipping image.
It's definitely grooved right here. You can feel the bump where it's been rubbing against this black plastic area.
And now your host for this evening.
So I noticed when you put on this wheel, it goes into the spline right here, and it just wasn't seating as deep as it should. So I used a T25 to push up against the metal shaft, make sure, or excuse me, not a T25, this is a T10, and make sure it's going into the post, metal post that's in there. Make sure that you hit against the metal post and not the plastic inner little rim. And then so that goes in there, and just kind of push down and try to push in as hard as you can. And that'll stick the wheel inside far enough. This is the left wheel, and notice how far pushed in that is to there. And this is the right wheel, and I still have a much further gap to go in compared to the left wheel.
Yeah, when they were. It's like, I don't like that thing where it goes cheap when it goes to America, and they do the sort of reprint. Because the album's going to be called Postcard.
This is a 6mm.
By Mary Hopkin. So we're just getting Valentine's, you know, people who make postcards to put one on the cover of the album. Yeah. No Steve knows. And a picture of it. Yeah, and just a few pictures of her in the little postcard. Yes. Next to Hopkin. This work? Yeah. It's me. It's a pretty good day.
Much better.
Bring your tambourine next time you go. Don't tell us that you had one. I'm gonna bring it some more. Get a bit of more.
So again, here's the left. That's how far it is. And the right, much better. I think I can go in a little bit more though.
Could you buy some cooling fans? Just loose ones. Need the blowers. Or you change the sound on the bass itself. It's the low note. Oh yeah. We're never going to be the same 2 days running, you know, it's impossible to be that.
Yeah, I'm not talking about this. Okay, it's just the basic stuff.
Oh, you see people around on me that night. So sweet. I'm the lead singer. Yeah, they're really good though, but it's just that sweet, you know, just the guitar hanging.
Still a little bit of interference between here and the rubber wheel when it goes all the way down. That is definitely much better.
Brett, I'm trying it all this place. Okay, let's change the format. Let's run through I've Got a Feeling. Okay.
And you can see the amount of clearance between the right side, or excuse me, left,
I just had a harmony that just came.
and left side now is even.
John, you take a little bit of bass off your guitar.
Let me tell you about the feeling.